In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out an object in Microsoft Designer. If you're looking to effortlessly isolate a subject in your photos, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process with ease, so let's get started. First, open up your web browser. You can use whatever browser you prefer, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, or another. Once it's open, head to your preferred search engine. Here, we'll be looking for Microsoft Designer. Go ahead and type that into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a list of results, and you're going to click on the link for Microsoft Designer. Their official website is usually one of the top results you see. Once the page loads, take a look towards the top right corner. You'll see a familiar Sign In button there. Click on that to proceed. Most likely you'll have an account if you've used Microsoft services before, but if not, you may need to create one. Signing in ensures you can access all the features we'll be exploring today. With your account ready and you signed in, now's the moment to delve into the creative tools Microsoft Designer offers. Head over to the Edit with AI section and select Remove Background. This feature is incredibly useful as it employs artificial intelligence to help simplify what would otherwise be a complex task. The next step is to upload the image containing the object you want to cut out. Choose a photo where the subject you want to isolate is clear and distinguishable from the background. Once you've selected your image, click to upload it and wait for it to appear on your screen. Here's where the magic happens. The AI will automatically identify the main subject in your photo and begin to remove the background. This technology is finely tuned to trace around your subject, doing the hard work for you, leaving you with the primary focus of your photo standing out beautifully. With the background duly removed, it's time to download your newly edited image. You'll want to save it as a PNG file, which is ideal for retaining quality and allowing for transparency. As part of the download process, be sure to select the option to make the background transparent. This will ensure that your cutout doesn't have any unwanted borders or background colors, giving it the clean, professional look you're aiming for. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to cut out an object using Microsoft Designer. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Whether you're editing personal photos or working on a professional project, this method can save you time and enhance the overall quality of your work. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore more of Microsoft Designer's features to elevate your creative projects even further.